Welcome back to another episode of Future Boat Customs. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking my videos, and thank you for sharing also with your family and friends. I appreciate it a lot. This is just an update on how far I am with my engine bay on my vr6 Jetta 3. Suspension is done. I did spray it, it's dry. I did install already my subframe, my stabilizer bar. It's already in, lower controls arms is in, shocks is in. Today I'm just gonna install my steering knuckles with my brake calipers, with my brake disc. That is gonna go in today into the car, so stay tuned and see. You guys can see the engine bay. This is my new update on my vr6 engine bay. As you guys can see, I already have finished painting the engine bay, and you guys did see it on the previous video, and you guys know that I did paint my suspension, and I didn't show you guys how I put in the subframe and the steering rack, but it is already fitted. It just an update for you guys. So as you guys can see, as I have said, I just want to remove my axle shaft with my CV joints. Removed it, resprayed, matte black again. Steering knuckle is still on. Everything is still attached with my calipers, with my brake disc. So yeah, bearings, everything is on both of them. This calipers, I'm just gonna respray yellow again. So this is
Je sien, as ek nou weer die hande in hy spraygun sit, as dit weer aard. Ek wil nie weer die hande is net aard. As ek hy spraygun nou vat. Sien jy die twee goede? Is aard. Ek is nou kwaad as ek aan die ding vat.
ek wil weer kwaad voel anders.
Kyk, ek wag net. Sit dan vir my op R. Sit dan vir my op R. Jy moet wel level vat daar. Ja, presies. Ek doen net, ja. Hey, laat jou hand net gewoon raak. Ek sê reg doen. What was I lap?
So now the wheels is on, my two wheels is back on, my suspension is back on the car again. Everything is now nice. So now, as you guys can see, everything is inside. Everything is inside the car. So you guys can see my suspension is now in the car, standing on its own two wheels. It's not in the air again, jacked up or whatsoever. Suspension is in. Suspension, everything is done. So just stay tuned. Check now and then into my channel for going to prep the engine, to make the engine black, respraying my engine. Everything in the engine bay is gonna go. The engine itself is gonna go black now. So my engine bay is completed, I'm glad, and the suspension is completed. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and thanks for subscribing again. I know, I just want to say thank you for supporting the channel, and God bless.